1995 Specialized ground control. This thing's for cruising fire roads and single track and all that cool shit. You know, the motor's fully ported. Port matched the intake. Port matched the exhaust with the exhaust header. Super custom. I had that shit laying around, dude. That thing's fucking badass. It's all blue. Everything's knifed on the inside. Transfer ports are cleaned up. I raised the exhaust. I'm looking for a little bit more low-end power. Might just bump up the compression. I can't get a high compression head on this fucker. I don't have the clearance. But as you can see, all that leather I used to protect the aluminum is key. Everything has leather on it. No rubber or anything like that. It's all leather. I glued leather into here on that plate. Everything's leather. See that? I had to widen up this thing. This is 1.5 inches, or actually this is a 2-inch tube. I had to widen up my bottom bracket there. I couldn't use the universal mount. I didn't have the clearance. So I set the whole fucking motor in, and I dadoed all of that out with leather. Put leather in that, protect it. Yeah, man, this thing's dope. We'll try to get a helmet cam and get this thing, get you guys some videos on how this thing fucking cruises on the road, because what we got. 95 Specialized ground control, fully suspended mountain bike. And yep, it is motorized. Got the GT5 here, the sick bike parts pipe that I've had for years, and then I just put the jack shaft on. First time I've done a jack shaft, but this thing is total game changer, guys. Tops out around 42. You know, I was expecting it to go faster. I still need to tune up the carb. It's running a little rich, so that might help it. But key is, man, I mean, it just, low gear is just killer, man. I mean, I could travel over all of this, single track. I mean, it's killer, man. We'll get you out onto places like this.